Oh, crikey. This is tight now. A joke. Tell which way it's going. Whoa. Right here. Anyone in? Hello? Got a bit of a booby trap there, I think. It's so fun. Whipping it around like that. We've got to get over this bridge. Nearly wide. Lost traction then. Need to create a berm there. Few low branches around. Whew. Enjoyed that. Not sure if you'd have noticed, but it's actually another day. Last time I was on the Talaria, had a bit of a family emergency, had to go home and deal with that. Couldn't get back out on the bike for a few days, so here I am, back out on the Talaria. But since that last video, I have added this shock mud flat protector kind of thing. Got it off eBay, I think it's about £10. It's a bit of a cheap job, but it does the job. It does the job, look. Yeah. Anyway, I just want to show you something quickly. Between my last ride and this ride, I had my metal detector out on some fresh, loose soil, and look what I found. Look at this. I only just put my camera on because, recognise this? That's a engine casing for a Honda C90, Japan, made in Japan. Interesting. I found that really interesting, especially as I'm into two wheels, and it's Honda, made in Japan, and it's from one of the most mass-produced vehicles ever. So yeah, I just found that really interesting. I'll often just get out my metal detector if I find a loose bit of soil or some fresh soil that's been dug up, just because this time of year it's really hard to dig anything, so I take every opportunity that I can. As you gathered then, I'm up the local wood. This is just a perfect place to get away from anyone because it's private. No one should be walking. It's pretty safe. There's lots of nice trails. You've got lots of options, and this bike just laps it up. Although since riding my sur-ron with the back 4000, this does feel like it's slightly underpowered, but hopefully I'll sort that out soon. Now then, I think I'm going to start heading home. Hope you enjoyed this upload of the Talaria Sting TL3000, and thanks for watching. MOTO Machines out.